I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to activate notifications on your US bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your US bank account. Start by opening the US Bank mobile app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Preferences section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find the Notifications option. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Step 4. Choose Notification Types. You will see various types of notifications you can enable, such as transaction alerts, balance updates, and promotional offers. Select the ones you want to activate. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred notifications, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you forget this step, your selections won't be activated. Now you're all set to receive notifications from US Bank. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out.